Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JNUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, don't mean to rub salt in anyone's wounds, but obviously, this one has just been getting hammered the past couple of days, and the bulls actually did start to show some signs of strength today, and whether or not that really means anything or not, the jury's still out on that, but you got to give credit where credit's due, and the easiest way to kind of quantify the statement, the bulls showed some signs, is they at least started to try to build an uptrend. Again, the jury's still out, meaning is this uptrend guaranteed to hold going forward? I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying that there is some early stages of an uptrend. So the question going forward, and this is not some sort of like secret discovery on my part, people that use charts are going to be wondering the same thing, but is this the start of something a little bit bigger? Are the bulls actually going to make an appearance? And I'm not saying reverse back up to $8 tomorrow, but at least show some signs of strength in the sense of, getting a bounce. It very well could be a dead cat bounce, but there's still money to be made, if something bounces. So we'll see if that is going to lead to anything or not. Now, not to insult your intelligence, but if the price crashes down through this orange line, well, then of course the bulls are not making an appearance. That would just be further confirmation that the bears are still in town and the bears are, pushing further even downwards. But as it stands right now, yeah, there's some higher lows being put into place. So we'll see if the bulls can kind of build upon this going forward. Now, if they can build, not only are they going to have to, hold that level of support, that orange line, but they're going to have to start to break some levels of resistance. So let's map out a couple of these. Now, before there should be any talk at all about, bullishness, in my opinion, the price needs to fight through what I would call this bear zone, resistance zone, whatever you want to call it. But that's from 480 up to $4.95. So this 15-cent area right here, get some closes up above there. Then you can start to use some bullish talk about, hey, the bulls really are making an appearance. But right now, yeah, they made the appearance in a slight sense of, okay, they're starting to put in a little uptrend. But that's very slight. I mean, if they want to bring a little more kind of credibility to the party, then that first sign of credibility, in my opinion at least, is, not only breaking above these red lines, but then starting to get some closes up above them. So we'll see if this is any sort of bottom on the bulls part or not, or if this is just a little temporary break before the bears continue downwards. So we'll see how this closes out the week tomorrow. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.